Yo, what up, YouTube? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. As you can see, I got the Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme, 32 gigabytes in front of me, and you already know there's an update. The BIOS update came out yesterday. It's just I didn't have a chance to because I've been real busy. Also today I'm real busy. That's why I'm recording on my phone today instead of my professional cameras and stuff like that. So we go towards the browser right now. Go to the BIOS, which is Legion Go 2 drivers. Bring me to this page. Just go to the drivers, and as you can see, we have the drivers right here for March 30. I'm sorry, for March 3rd, 2026. As you can see right here. Let's just try to keep this thing. I might have to keep the brightness down a little. Let's try to zoom this in a little bit. Okay. So what we're gonna do is back this out right quick. Open up this. Which is right here. I got my Legion Go plugin like I always do. I do have a little stuff right there. You have the Legion system update picture, whatever, right there. Oh God, what is right there? We're just gonna click on download. Here's all the stuff that we download, but here's the one that we just downloaded right here, 34/2026 at 11:23 I don't know why it says AM. I just downloaded it, but I don't know why it's actually doing that. But this is the one we just downloaded. What I'm going to do is I'm going to re-download it again. So actually I want to do is let's go to view, so we can make sure that we're getting the latest one. So details panel shows large icons. So this is today right here. That's it right there. Double click on it. We're not going to actually use 7-zip. Do you want to use this? I have to make changes to devices. Yes. You know, wait for it to do its thing. Like always, we're going to stay quiet while it does its thing. Okay, there we go. Click next, next, and we're gonna let it do its thing. One thing I'm gonna do is just minimize that, leave that the way how it is, and I'm gonna step away for a few. Let it download this, anything you gotta do, and I'm gonna step away. If you guys don't know, I'm on a Windows build. I'm on Windows 11 Home Insider preview, so this is actually different. But I think I might actually remove this driver, or I'm sorry, this update, and revert back to my old one, because I am kind of like running into a little bit of problems sometimes. It's mostly happening with my display and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm tired like hell, but I got a lot of stuff I need to do today. But yeah, I've been running into problems basically with the driver, not with the drivers, but more when it comes towards my display with those BIOS updates. So I don't know if it's the actual Windows update that I'm having the problems with, or if it's the BIOS I had, but hopefully this BIOS might fix some of the problems that I was having before. So yeah, I'm gonna stay quiet. I'm gonna let this thing run and do its course, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. All right, that's it, and I'm out in a few minutes, and I'm gonna let this do its thing. Okay, there we go. Should be complete. Let's do this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, actually seemed like that BIOS update speed up everything a little bit faster. I'm not gonna cap. Okay, look like things is running a little bit better on this BIOS update. I wonder if there is a system update. So let's just do this real quick. I just gotta leave my hand right here for a few. Let's actually back out. Yeah, so there is a security update for the antivirus that should download like really fast. We are gonna go into Legion space to check that out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that right there, and I'm gonna go into Legion space real fast. There's nothing to really pay attention to with this. I wish they give you like some type of notification or something. I might have to look into the system, see if there's a way I can change this. So I might look into that. So as you can see, it got full screen experience, all that stuff on there. Remind me later. Okay, let's go into settings. See if there's any new updates, anything for here. So we're gonna go to display. Okay, settings. This, check for updates. Most likely it's just gonna show us the new BIOS that we basically got. Also want to check on the controller, see if there's anything new with the controllers. One thing I wish Lenovo do is fix the RGBs on this damn thing. Like, can we please get an update for that? Like, in general, please? So I do want to customize my thumbsticks, whatever. Instead of always having either a solid color or something else. Like, it gets annoying. Okay, seems like everything is Gucci. So yeah, that's the BIOS update, guys. That's everything that was dropped. Look like it stabilized my Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme a little bit better. I'm not getting that bug that I was having with the battery no more. Like I said, I don't know if this is due towards the update that I got for the insider preview with the new Windows that I'm actually on, or if it's actually the BIOS. I don't really care that the words is right here on it. It doesn't bother me as much because I play games on here, and it, like, if it was on if I was doing recordings and stuff like that with the screen stuff, then it'll bother me. But if I do recordings, it's basically with gameplay, so I'm not doing desktop stuff, and that really doesn't bother me per se. So I may uninstall it depending on the stabilizer, if it's not stable. So if I do run into issues, then I might uninstall it. But right now, I'm fine where I'm at. All right, guys, it's your boy Easy here, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.